In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit and manage your RSVP form directly inside Canva. First, click on the RSVP form, then select the Edit button. From here, you can customize the questions and answer options to suit your event. You can edit the existing questions, add new ones, or remove anything you don't need. You can also choose different question formats, including drop-down menus, multiple choice answers, and short written responses. If there is any important information you would like to collect from your guests, such as dietary requirements, the number of people attending, or song requests, you can add those questions here as well. You can also customize the appearance of your form by changing the colors and font style to match your invitation. To view your guests' responses, click here. You can review all of the responses directly inside Canva or open them in a spreadsheet if you would prefer to see everything in one organized list. Once you have finished editing, make sure you publish or republish your invitation. This will save your latest changes and ensure your guests can see the updated RSVP form. I also recommend opening the published invitation and submitting a test response before sharing it with your guests. This allows you to check that the form is working correctly and that all of the responses are being recorded. And that's it. Your RSVP form is now ready to share with your guests. You can return to Canva at any time to view new responses or make changes to your form.